In this video, we will show you how to make auto highlight on active cell using Microsoft Excel. This is, for example, from the auto highlight. If we select some cell, it will auto highlight the rows like this. As you can see here, there is a green with yellow and the text is bold. It's very useful if we have many data and we find data one by one like this. How to create this highlight? First, we can close our Microsoft Excel. Okay, I will save this. And this is the original one with a formula to create auto highlights. And to create auto highlight, first you need to block the data you want to create auto highlight. You can also using Ctrl+A to select all cell, but I want just this cell. After we are selecting the cell, we need to create the formula look like this. And okay, this is the one formula, but in your system maybe using the semicolon doesn't work, so you can using the second formula here. Okay, you can select this or this formula is works for you because it's depend on your systems. Okay, in my computer this formula is works. Okay, so I don't using the first. After you blocking the cell, you need to input the formula here. Okay, click new rule and select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, then you can paste the formula here. Okay, now we need to set the color. For example, let's using green. Okay, after that we can click OK. First in here looks like this. Okay, and we need to block again the cell. Then we need to input the second formula. We can click conditional formatting and click new rule and choose again use a formula to determine which cells to format. Paste your formula. This is the first formula, but we change in the R. We change to N. Okay, then we select the format to creating highlight. I'm using yellow, for example, and the font let's choose with bold and click OK. And here click OK. Now we need to open our VBA code. How to open VBA code? We can using Alt plus F11 button in here like this and select your sheet, or just doing something look like this. View code. Okay, you can right click and view code, and in here we can select this to worksheet and make sure this is on your sheet 1. Okay, in here just type target.calculate in here. Okay, target.calculate look like this, and you can just close the VBA code and let's see the result. Okay, you can also select the highlight. If you don't like the color, just select conditional formatting and manage rules. For example, you don't want using a green color, just select your green color here and select format again. You can fill with anything, for example look like this, and you can click apply. Now you have something look like this. That's all tutorial how to make auto highlight on active cell using Microsoft Excel and also formula plus VBA code. Hope this video helpful for you.